Question 27 was, the Venn diagram below illustrates set X and Y. The Venn diagram below illustrates sets X and Y. So you can take time and study the Venn diagram. Don't rush into answering the question. Okay. If you have studied like I have done, now you can go to the actual question, which is use set notation to describe the shaded region. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at the Venn diagram, and then we're going to use the knowledge of complements of a set. So we're going to look at the diagram, identify any set that is entirely full. It's not, whether it's shaded or not shaded, but it's completely not shaded or shaded. But we can see that X is fully not shaded. So we can use, we can say X, okay, yeah, it shouldn't be Y, it should be X. I'll change it at the end. So it should be X, then union, then we come to, when you look at the other part that is not shaded is the intersection of X and Y. The intersection of X and Y is not shaded. So we can put that in brackets. We say X union X intersection Y. Then after you have done that, then you can say complement. Okay? So X union X intersection Y complement is the shaded region. It's the shaded region. Like I said earlier on, where there is first Y there, I'm going to change at the end of the video. So where there is Y, it should be X. Okay, now we can go to question 28, which is the ratio of female teachers to male teachers at Tazingwe Secondary School is 7:5. If there are 42 female teachers, how many male teachers are there? Okay, so in that question, we are given the ratio, which is 7:5. Then, using this ratio, we are told that there are 42 female teachers, and how many male teachers were not told, we were asked to find. So we're going to say the ratio of 5 for the male teachers is equal to X. Okay, now what we're going to do here now is we're going to do cross multiplication. That means 42 will be multiplied by 5 and 7 will be multiplied by X, like this. Okay, so that is the cross multiplication we're going to have. So we're going to multiply 42 times 5 will give us 210. Then 7 times X will give us 7X. So it's going to be 210 is equal to 7X. Okay, now what I'm going to do now here is I'm going to divide both sides by 7 and this side by 7. Why am I dividing both sides by 7? Because I want to remain with X on one side of the equal sign alone. So 7X divided by 7 will give us, it's more or less like we cancel the 7s in both terms, then which means it's going to give us X. Okay, then 210 divided by 7 will give us 30. So there are 30 male teachers at Tazingwe Secondary School. Okay, now like I said earlier on, I said that I'm going to change where I wrote Y in question 27. So it's not supposed to be Y. It should read as X, not Y union, but X union. So it should be X union, cross bracket, X intersection Y, in X intersection Y, yes. So it should read X union, X intersection Y complements. So these are complements. These the shaded area, this contains elements that are not found in that set I've labeled there. Okay, if you have got questions, you can ask. Otherwise, let's go to question 29.